Hi guys, welcome to Green Haven. So today we're going to do a really quick simple video repotting this plant. I didn't realize how fast she would grow, but she grew pretty quickly from the last time we posted a YouTube short. So here we are. We're going to grab the mesh and some stones. I like to use the mesh and stones at the bottom of the drainage pot. Just to prevent soil loss and help prevent root rot, allowing the excess water to drain away. So we're gonna add the drainage mesh at the bottom, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the stones on top of the drainage mesh just to keep that in place. Now let's go ahead and get the potting mixture ready. I like to use 1 part of the earthworm castings along with 3 parts of the potting soil. And what I usually do is I'll go ahead and start by adding at the bottom layer the potting soil. Then the middle layer I'll add the earthworm castings. And then at the top layer, I'll add the potting soil. And then I'll just mix the two together, as you can see here. And once I'm done with mixing, pretty straightforward. From here, we'll go ahead and we'll repot the plant in the mixture. Now, I was trying to be very careful here, and unfortunately, I did break her stem. But I decided to go ahead and move forward with repotting her. She seems pretty healthy and strong. I'm hoping she can grow new roots. So I did have to cut a good significant portion of her bottom. But I went ahead and planted her anyways. As you can see, I did dig a deep enough hole to just give her a good solid foundation. I did water her a few days prior, but I am gonna go ahead and give the fresh soil some watering. And there you have it. And once we're done here, we're gonna go ahead and place her in her new home. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There she is, beautiful. Thank you to all of my new subscribers, and if you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I post YouTube shorts and videos about the fun that I have with gardening, my aquariums, and my terrariums.